Hi guys, Shakespeare from Sampeth Mathematics. We are continuing with our linear inequalities. I'm just going to quickly solve this one. So the first thing that you need to do, we're going to have to keep the values that have x on the left hand side and the values that do not have x on the right hand side. So I'm going to leave the 4x on my left hand side, transpose the negative 2x, we get positive 2x greater than 6 minus a 5. Sure, you can see that 5 was positive on the left hand side. So the like terms, when the signs of the like terms are not the same, we subtract and we take the sign of the bigger number. The answer will take the sign of the bigger number. So this is going to be minus 2x is greater than definitely 1. The 6 minus 5 is 1. So I want you to notice the change in the inequality sign. So I'm going to divide by negative and negative on both sides. So the negative 2 and the negative 2 will take each other out. Now I have x is then less than negative 1 over 2. So whenever you divide the inequality, divide the x by a negative number or multiply it to get rid of the coefficient of x that would happen to be negative at the time, what you need to do is change the inequality sign. The direction of the inequality sign will change. So our timeline, then, this is how it's going to look. Our timeline is definitely going to be different from the one we just did. This is 1, that's 2. That's minus 1, that's minus 2. So I still have my answer at negative a half, which is negative 1 over 2. I'm not shading it, but because it's less than now, it's no longer going to go to the right hand side, it's going to go towards the left hand side. So that's how you would do it. So now we need to look at the interval notation. I'll shorten it. Interval notation is going to be x is the element of where we're starting. We're starting from negative infinity all the way to negative a half with the round bracket, because x cannot be negative a half. So that's how you would solve them. My advice is repeat these videos if you don't understand, but this is the only inequality rule that we use, where we like, okay, if we divide by a negative number or multiply by it, because of trying to remove the coefficient of x, the inequality sign would change direction. So with the next question, we'll look at a more complex with a bit of fraction, and then and two inequality signs there. But we'll see you in the next part of this.